Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled to crack open a tough nut, hurting your hands or using the wrong tools? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these simple pieces of scrap metal pipe and steel plates into a powerful, heavy-duty nutcracker. To solve this, I'm taking two identical metal pipes. I'll measure them to ensure they're the same length and mark a spot near the end of each. This will be where our hinge mechanism attaches. Next, I'm using my angle grinder to carefully cut notches into the ends of both pipes. This is crucial because these notches will allow the hinge plates to sit flush and securely within the pipes. Now, I'm taking a thick, flat steel strip. I'll measure and mark it to create two small, identical rectangular pieces. Then, I secure in the vise and use a grinder to cut them out. These will become the connecting arms of our hinge. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After quickly marking the center of each piece, I take them to the drill press and create a hole in each. This step is necessary to allow a bolt to pass through, creating a strong pivot point. I align the holes and insert a bolt, securing it with a nut. This simple assembly forms a sturdy, movable hinge that will connect the two handles of our nutcracker. I place the hinge assembly into the notches I cut earlier on the pipes. I use my welder to fuse the hinge plates to the pipes. A strong weld here is vital to withstand the pressure of cracking hard nuts. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once welded, I use the grinder to smooth out the rough edges. This not only makes the tool look better, but also ensures there are no sharp pieces that could cut my hands during use. I mark a spot on the lower part 1 pipe and use the grinder to carve a small slot. This gives me a flat surface to attach the crushing mechanism securely. I take a piece of angle iron and mark it. I cut it out carefully. I weld this angled piece into the slot I just made on the upper pipe. Next, I'm preparing a piece of metal like a knife blade to peel the nuts. I'm welding this piece of metal to the other side of the metal pipe. This will allow for the precise concentration of pressure to crack the hard shell of a nut. Now, I need a stand to keep the tool upright during use. I will place the tool on this base plate and weld it securely into place. I clean up the welds on the base plate to ensure a flat, stable surface. Our heavy-duty, leverage-based nutcracker is fully assembled. I place a tough nut on the tool and press down on the handle. Look how perfectly it works. The wedge neatly splits the shell with minimal effort. This homemade tool is quite powerful. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching.